Minisita Aceng yaramburirwa rero kureba imbere yaryo hamwe no kushijuma ibye birukorwa kandi hano yiguriraho mbutongore ecenje cyo kujanjaberamwe abana abekokoro ya misho.
Many of you have said it is a small ward with very many patients who need help. And hearing from the medical superintendent, they come from all over the region, There is need to expand that ward. I want to believe that working together, we can do it.
The Board of Governors is grateful to you, Honorable Dr. Cheng, as the Line Minister of Health and a friend to Angola Diocese. And most importantly, a friend to our Bishop.
Yaasiima obuheereza obwirwariro rukuheereza.
What you're doing here complements the work of government. And it does not only complement, it takes a huge burden of the costs that government would have to bear in saving all these lives.
This is the first cancer unit for the children in the region. I wish government attached an oncologist to this hospital too to add value to the services we are offering here.
Minisita yayongera yayoreka ecengere canga hamubaro gw'abashaho barikukora handwareji eya retinoblastoma ecyari kugira ngo nkihanga bakina omurimo muhango.
Government is putting in effort, but training specialists is not cheap. And we have learned that along the way. It is not cheap. And it becomes even more expensive when they are trained and they are not recruited and they leave the country.
We as religious leaders, we go and preach to people, we invite them, get saved, whatever. But the people you are preaching to, you are praying to, blessing, they are sick of physical ailments, probably some of which are not spiritual or are not going to be addressed by the spiritual prayers you have prayed to them. And medicine is a creation of God. So we said, why not combine? And I want to assure you we have been pleasantly surprised actually. I don't know whether that's the right phraseology, but people are bad off.
Yahendera rukutongozaho foundation yesurwe Dr. Keith Wadeo Foundation eyeterirwa omushaho w'omungereza Dr. Keith Wadeo atandikireho obuheereza bw'okuragurira endwareegi omwaka gwa 1994. Woodi mazireho sente zirikurenga miliyoni 7 omu sente za Uganda kandi abakuru omu irwariro eri nibagira ngu nibaza kuhwerwaho kyango. Aha bwa TV West ndi era akiza.